Hi guys, Noel. I have something I want to show you, but first, I'm going to show you guys something, but first, there we go. I made this in one day. It's my treehouse. I'll show you guys. Oh, sorry about all of this wool. I'm in creative. I can't put it in my book bag. In my chest. This is, you can sit, you can stand, you can sit on the furnace. This, I had to put in the bed, but yeah. Okay. Can't let you guys see. But guys, this is what I've been working on for 2 days. You can have this. Here. Are you guys ready? Noel, here it is. I built this. Think I did good? I'll let you guys have a look. First, I think I did good on the horns. I don't remember who the dragon is, but Noel, leave a comment down below when you do. Cobweb. Yeah. And you can go inside. See? And look at the mouth. I did it so perfectly that I think it's good. All I need is black, this type of wool, that type, this type, and that, and that. That, I do not know why I had that. Oh yeah, and you need this, along with this too. You do not need light one. You don't need the light one. This is as much as you need. Look at my inventory. I'm going to show you guys the feet. Yeah. Here's the first one. It's standing up. It's like moving the back. See, look. You see this? I think I need to do a little bit fixing up on the belly. There you go. This is amazing. I think I did a really good job. I tried to do the muscles very good. I think I did really good on the muscles. Here's the tail. I think I did really good on the tail. It looks like it's angry. As you can see, it's a Nightwing. No, not. It's a volcano dragon of some sort. Oh. That's the ears. Oops. There. Options. Bob. Here's Bob. Don't worry, guys. Noel, go down in the comments. The greens are going to be the dinosaurs that I'm going to make. That's going to be green. Blue is going to be your guys' choice. Well, yeah, well, purple. Purple is your guys' choice. This is good. Black is going to be a flying bird. I'm not going to do anything else until I see some comments down below on what do you want the flying, what your choice wants to be for the purple, and what do you guys want for the green. I already made Bob. I think I did really good. I think I really did good. That's the collar that he has. That's its collar. He's cool with me. Bob's good. So yeah, Bob's cool. He lets me hang around with his ears and stuff. And look at this. Should I add the wings or should I don't?
What's wrong with you guys? You are not telling of the jokes or doing of the spontaneous dancings. Why would they do that? Yeah, they like we's best friends, yo. Actually, you are. It's probably running around here somewhere. I'll search the tower. I can't find it. You must have run away when we was going hard on that cake. Yes, that's what must have happened. Hey there, little guy. You wanna be pals? This is bad. Real bad. Perhaps if you engage in your usual telling of the jokes, we'll find out.
So yeah, tell me if you want to make me add the wings or not.
Who's there? Me who? Beast Boy. Thank you for your time.
So what type of dinosaur you want me to put in the comments? But you have to put green block, hashtag, do whatever. For your type, purple, hashtag, I want it to be blah, blah, blah. Let's say that I was Noelle. I want it to be a Nightwing, your best Nightwing. And I'd be like, okay, Noelle, have to wait until all my subscribers say so. And for this, I want the flying to be a pterodactyl. I want it to be for the black block, black block, hashtag, blah, 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 blah. Hashtag Wolf Gaming. And I'll read through it and I will choose by myself. And I will record myself doing it. It's going to take me a while, and I won't, and then put record, hashtag, don't record, or record it. Do whatever. Oh yeah, if you want this, it's this. It's handcraft. If you want it. So yeah. Oh yeah, and if you want to know how to make these type of roofs, I will make one. Put hashtag treehouse, how do you make those roofs? And then I'll say it. Sorry, lots of hashtags. Read description if you forget any of them. So yeah, I think I did really good with the spike tail. So yeah, guys. Bye, and I'll see you all on the next video.